Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the temperature unit on the Frozen City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the right side of the screen. And here you can find the fourth option, the temperature unit, and you can select Fahrenheit or Celsius and just select one, for example the Celsius, and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.